So today we if y'all been watching my videos, doing like I was in the second to last video, going to film some more combines with my drone. We up here in the I guess you'd really call this south central Delta, really central Delta. We going to watch. It's just two John Deere like S780s, I think is what they are. That's what we're going to do. Alright, so now out here at the field, that's a 780 there. That's cut. It's got LSWs on it, and it's got a 35-foot header. It's a RD 35F. It's a pretty good sized combine. Them beans are doing pretty good right there. all the combines are, both of them are 780. That's got an older 635 FD on it. And then it's a 780 there too. I think they're both like 2 years old, the combines. But that one's got a brand new header on it. That was the one I got the in-cab footage from, which y'all see. And then there's two tractors there. I think both of them, I know at least one of them, but I'm pretty sure both of those are 8310R John Deeres. And then they each have like 850 bushel heads on them. But that's going to be the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.